Hi, welcome back. So I'm into my weeklies for my December bullet journal now. This is a one-page weekly, but I'm doing 2 pages at the same time, so I'm covering 2 weeks. I've used this format before, really simple, straightforward, but obviously with Christmas theme this time. So another speeded up video. Please leave a comment below if that's something that you enjoy seeing. Just putting in the boxes. As I say, each page is one page weekly, but covering it across. It's actually, I found this really useful to have visibility of 2 weeks at a time. And as I say, it comes together so quickly. You'll see. I must admit, I'm really behind with my December setup this year. It's crept up on me quite quickly. You see my deliberate error there. See how that first box ended up smaller. I don't get caught up on making mistakes, to be fair. And I wonder, had I not pointed it out, would you have noticed? Just going in with really simple lettering. A bit restricted for space actually, so couldn't do anything overly dramatic on the top. I'm using my red and green Tombows again. If you see my other videos, this is the theme that I've pulled through for December. Putting the dates in. And alternating with green and red again. Days of the week. See how quickly this one comes together. In with my stocking washi tape again. If you've seen my other videos for my monthlies, this is pretty much the same theme that I've pulled through. And then just going over with red dots to colour in the blank space. And then in with green dots. It's actually really effective. So my next couple of weeklies, I've decided to go back to 2-page weeklies. So be sure to look out for those and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss them. Just taking out the pencil. And my Christmas week's quite special, so watch out for that one. There we go. See you soon.